Have you ever seen a square root inside another square root that continues forever? Let's solve this expression step by step. The expression is square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus ... Because this pattern continues forever, we can use a smart substitution. Let the entire expression be equal to x. So we write x equals square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2, and so on. Notice something important. The expression inside the square root is exactly the same as x. That means we can rewrite the equation as x equals square root of 2 plus x. Now square both sides to remove the square root. X squared equals 2 plus x. Rearrange the equation. X squared minus x minus 2 equals 0. Now factor the quadratic equation. X minus 2 times x plus 1 equals 0. This gives two possible solutions. X equals 2 or x equals -1. But our original expression contains only square roots, so its value must be positive. Therefore, -1 is not valid. The only correct solution is x equals 2, so the value of the infinite nested square root is 2. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next math video.